Ever wondered how to make your own wrinkle cream that actually works? Well, you're in for a treat today. Imagine a world where you don't have to spend a fortune on commercial products that may or may not deliver on their promises. Instead, you have the power to create your own effective and natural solution right at home. Today, we're delving into the world of DIY skincare, specifically focusing on a homemade wrinkle cream recipe that's not only considerably cheaper than store-bought alternatives, but also gentler and often more effective. Now, why go through the trouble of making homemade wrinkle cream, you ask? Well, think about this. While up to 50% of skin aging could be due to genetic factors and sun exposure, there's a lot we can do to combat the other half. And a significant part of that involves keeping the skin hydrated and nourished. However, many commercial anti-aging remedies contain harmful ingredients in small quantities. Over time, these can compound the issue rather than alleviate it. But when you make your own wrinkle cream, you know exactly what's going into it. No harsh or drying chemicals, just natural antioxidants that protect your skin from UV damage and aid in rejuvenating your skin cells. Now, let's dive into the recipe. We'll be creating a cream that combines beneficial oils and a nourishing herbal infusion. This cream is perfect for tackling aging effects on the skin, and it's super easy to make. In this recipe, we'll be using avocado oil, known for its ability to soften, soothe, and recondition the skin. We'll also be using argan oil, rich in vitamin E, which keeps skin supple. Calendula, a very effective flower, provides a soothing effect and is excellent for any dry or flaky skin. We'll also be adding frankincense essential oil, which can slow down the appearance of wrinkles, and lemon essential oil, known to clear the skin, boost circulation, and have a brightening effect. Now that we're clear on the benefits and the recipe, let's get you prepared to make your homemade wrinkle cream. Here are the exact ingredients you'll need. 15 grams of avocado oil. This ingredient will be your skin's best friend, softening and reconditioning it. 10 grams of argan oil. Rich in vitamin E, it's a must-have for keeping your skin supple. 15 grams of emulsifying wax nef. This will help to blend our oils and water together seamlessly. 60 grams of boiled water, or you can use a ready-made hydrosol for added benefits. A handful of dried calendula flowers. Skip this if you're using the ready-made hydrosol, but it's a wonderful addition if you're not. 1 gram of preservative. This is optional, but it will help your cream last longer. 15 drops of frankincense essential oil. This will help slow down the appearance of wrinkles. 10 drops of lemon essential oil. Known for its skin clearing and circulation boosting properties, it will give your cream a brightening effect. And finally, a cosmetic jar to store your homemade wrinkle cream. And with these ingredients on your countertop, you're all set to start making your very own wrinkle cream. So there you have it, a simple, cost-effective and natural solution to combat wrinkles and keep your skin looking youthful and hydrated. By making your own homemade wrinkle cream, you're not only saving money, but also ensuring that you're nourishing your skin with the best and most natural ingredients. Remember, the key to youthful skin is hydration and nourishment. And this homemade wrinkle cream provides just that. So why not give it a try? You might just find that the best skincare products come from your own kitchen. We would like to hear from you in the comment section. Please like, subscribe, share, and hit that notification bell for more inspiring content. Thank you for watching.